Beloved Creator, divine source of all wealth, I come before you now with open heart and awakened soul to revoke and release any vow, contract, or agreement I made, consciously or unconsciously, in this lifetime or any other, that bound me to lack, scarcity, or suffering for the sake of humility. I honor the part of me that once believed that to serve you I must suffer. I honor the past versions of me that thought piety meant poverty or that devotion meant deprivation. But today I rise. By the power of my voice and the power and the authority of my divine birthright, I now break the vow of poverty in every realm, spiritual, mental, emotional, and financial. I release any soul agreement that says I must struggle to prove my worth. I release the belief that being close to you means denying myself beauty, comfort, or wealth. I release the fear that having too much will make me selfish, greedy, or unholy. I revoke the old story. I write a new one. I now step into my divine reign as Empress, Goddess, Supreme Daughter of the Most High. I am a vessel of wealth, a magnet for luxury, and a guardian of sacred prosperity. I deserve softness. I deserve overflow. I deserve to be pampered, nourished, and adored. I deserve homes that hold me, bank accounts that bless me, and a life that reflects the royalty that I carry in my soul. I no longer play small to make others comfortable. I no longer carry the weight of old oaths. I now serve from a full cup, not a broken bowl. I receive divine abundance in all its forms, without guilt, without fear, without apology. I walk in wealth. I sleep in peace. I rise in power. I give generously from overflow, not depletion. And I allow myself to be taken care of, just as I have taken care of so many. This vow is broken. This prayer is sealed. And this new covenant of ease, joy, and divine prosperity has begun. And so it is. This prayer is to break any vow of poverty that you have made in previous lifetimes or even in this one. It is a declaration of stepping into your divine authority now, in this time, in this season, so that you can receive the abundance the Most High is giving. Most of us have an issue with receiving because we are so used to giving from nothing, giving from lack, giving from scarcity, giving from depletion. We don't rest, we don't relax, we don't even know what ease and comfort is. And if we know it, we only indulge in it for a few seconds, and then it's right back to what we were doing before. So this is a necessary thing that we must begin to speak over ourselves to break the old patterns that we have agreed to in other lifetimes. Yes, then it worked. Yes, though at those points we were learning to give to humanity during those times. We are not in those timelines anymore. This timeline requires that you sit back, take deep breaths, and rejuvenate yourself from all that you've endured. You have been like a farmer in the field, toiling day and night, day and night. And God is saying, hey, I got your reward. You gotta stop. You gotta sit down now. You have to rest now. But you keep saying, no, I'm going to rest. It's still work to be done. It's still, no. Now it's time for you to receive your harvest. I love you guys. Have a great day.